Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2014 Infiniti Q50. This is the premium package featuring the 3.7 liter naturally aspirated V6. So this was the first year of the Q50. Car before it, the G37, was replaced by the Q50. However, for the 2014 and I think 2015, they kept the 3.7 liter V6. Then it moved to the twin turbo V6 that is in it to this day. Really nice interior in here. Tons of features and amenities. This is, I think, one of my favorite cars I've driven here at Quirk. This car is absolutely spectacular. Little over 51,000 miles on this one, but it looks fantastic. This is a true sports sedan, and definitely a lot of fun to drive. Speaking of drive, let's go ahead and head out. Power adjustable steering column. This is a all-wheel drive based system, however it is rear biased, which is very welcome, and it adds really something special to this car. Doesn't really understeer all that much, and it also makes it an exceptional winter car. Really smooth driving vehicle too. Infiniti is Nissan's luxury brand, and this one definitely fits that part. I have driven the Q50 with the twin turbo V6, as well as the Q60 Red Sport. This is probably my favorite. The naturally aspirated V6 in this, the 3.7, is just that good. It's kind of a shame they replaced it with the twin turbos. I'm not saying the twin turbos are bad, because it adds really a ton of power to it. But the character of this car is just unbelievable. And the sound is really good. This 3.7 has its roots in the Nissan 370Z, same basic motor. Believe it is known as the VQ in official engineering terms. That's one of those things where I'm trying to get a little bit better at, is official codes. Like, you know, I know E92 for the BMW 3 Series from 2009, that era. But I want to add a little bit more to my vocabulary and start to understand what motor codes and stuff like that are. But yes, I believe this is the VQ 3.7, maybe tuned a little bit different or detuned, but it is the same motor. In sport mode, the steering is absolutely phenomenal. Tons of feedback, tons of feel, and the brakes as well, they are something special. It's a really good car. Really good car. Definitely one of the most fun cars I've driven to date. And that is saying a lot. You know, driving cars like the Lamborghini Huracan, stuff like that. Obviously, it's not on that level. But it's just so good at what it's designed to do, be a luxurious sports sedan. This takes on Audi with its S4. It's just really spectacular. This car, Infiniti, man, you know what you are doing when it comes to building these cars. This is really, really a great sedan. And do you hear the rev match downshifts too? This is probably one of the best manual modes I've ever experienced in a sedan. This is a car. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.